So as you now able to declare and initialize the array. So as of now we have seen the example of integer array. Now let's see one example of a double array. So the only difference is that just you have to change the data type. So instead of writing int, what we will write double square bracket name of your array variable. As we know that arrays are object in Java, so this is also called as a array reference variable, okay, because they are referring to objects. So array reference variable grade, or simply you can say that array variable. So double name of my array variable is a grade, and here we are making the use of array initializer. We are directly going to initialize the values. So 1.9, 2.9, so you can see that all are the fractional parts, so that's why here we have used the data type double. So it can save the double values inside your grade array, and here the simply we can make the use of a for loop to display these values. So here what we can do, we can make the use of a for loop, the counter variable which is declared initialized to 0, condition less than grade dot length, and what we are displaying, grade of counter. Grade of counter means what? Grade is the name of my array, square bracket, and inside this square bracket we are writing the counter variable. Now what it will do, grade of, as this counter change the values from 0 to 3, so these values will get changed, means at very first time the counter will have the value 0 because it is initialized to 0, so grade of 0. Next time it will increase to 1, so the value will be 1, so grade of 1. Then it is again incremented to 2, so grade of 2, grade of 3, so it will change grade of 0, grade of 1, grade of 2, grade of 3, and it will display your elements. So this is how here I have compiled the program, and this is how it can display the elements. So you can see that it is also working same for the double array also. So integer array, double array, or string type array, or character array, all these array will work same, just you have to change the name of your data type. Now let's do one program. What is in that program? We have to take the grade of students in the class, and let's say the 10 students are there in your class, and we have to take the average of that grade. So in this program what we can do, this is the name of my class average array. Here I have initialized grade directly, int grade 87, 68, 94, all these are the grades scored by the students. So here I have initialized the grade. Then what I have done, I have taken one total variable which can take the total of all the arrays. So int total equals to 0, it is initialized to 0. Next thing is that we can make the use of a for loop, obviously, to add all the elements inside your array. We are having the grades inside the array, so at grade 0 we are having the first grade, at grade 1 we are having the second grade, at grade 2 we are having the third grade, and so on. So here we are having the 10 grades. So this program will continue from 0 to I less than grade dot length. And what is the length? Length is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 values we are having. So when it comes to the for loop, so what it will do, total equals to total plus grade of I. So instead of writing total equals to total plus grade of I, what we have done here, total plus equals to compound assignment operator. We have seen this in the videos or the last lectures, compound assignment operator. So it means that total equals to total plus grade of I. So initially total is 0, so total equals to 0 plus grade of I. And what is grade of I? Means grade of 0, because I is 0 initially. So total equals to total plus grade of I. 0 plus grade of 0. What is grade of 0? The first element 87. Then your total will become 87. Next time when it increment your I to the 1, so I will become 1, and total is, we know that 87. So total is equals to total plus grade of 1. Now what is grade of 1? Grade of 1 is 68, because this is 0, grade of 0, 87, grade of 1, 68. So total plus grade of 1, what is that grade of 1? 68. So 87 plus 68. Next time when it is incremented to 2, so it will be 94, grade of 2 is 94. Then again it will be added. So in this manner we can add all the 10 values, and the result is inside your total. Okay, so the addition result is inside the total. Here I am just going to display this total. So the total of array element is total, and now we have to take the average. How to take the average? The sum of all the values divided by number of values. So we know that result may come as a fractional part. So result may come as a fractional part, so that's why here we have to take the double variable. So data type of this average is double. So average is equals to total divided by grade dot length. Now what it means? The name of the total is inside the total variable. So total divided by the number of elements. And what is the number of elements? So instead of counting this number, what we are doing, we are making the use of length property. So array name dot length. What is my array name? Grade. So grade dot length. And what is length? So it will count the length directly, no need to worry. So total divided by grade dot length. And as we know that this total and grade dot length both are integers, so they cannot give you the actual double result. They will not give you the fractional part, they will give you dot zero part. Okay, the fractional part will be truncated. So what we are doing? Typecasting. Here we will change this your total results to the double, and here I am going to display the average. Okay, so let's say this program, let me check the name of my program, avg array. Okay, so java c avg array dot java. Congratulations, there is no error. Java avg array, and this is my result. First of all, I have displayed the total. So total is 849, and then average, yes, obviously divided by your number of elements. So number of elements are 10, so average is 84.9, and this is the average program. So thank you for this video. We will see another program in the next lecture.